This time we're in Sheffield. So this charity came through the website. It's in desperate need of a full heating system. What a cause, what an outfit. So they're called Work Limited, and what they do is they help people with learning difficulties experience work life. So people with learning difficulties, they come to a workshop here and they make crafts, and then the crafts get sold. So fantastic cause. Let's have a look. It's actually a shop they've got, and it's being gutted, this dwelling. So here we go, look.
Well, it'll probably be done by the time.
So out surveying it, trying to get interest, trying to get the sponsors involved. Alpha, Stalrad, Lawton Tubes, EBH. This is the next project. So this is going to be the shop where they'll be selling the products that they make. Here you've got Andy Cam. You've got Richard Gears. His apprentice. So this is going to be the front, so a radiator just there. This is the back where they'll be doing all the packaging for the products that they made. Boiler's going there. That's where the Alpha's going to be going. Please. With EBH controls and thermostatic radiator valves. So they're going to come up. This place has been absolutely gutted. It really has. Plenty of parking on the day. So if you're thinking about donating your trade, look at a lot of parking. And on this project, we have been promised pizzas. And there's a pizza machine there. Oven baked pizzas. We're going to go upstairs. It's currently being painted. The volunteers that run this charity are doing a fantastic job in terms of their organising, fundraising. Very complicated, this charity, because they're getting a lot of their funds from fundraising and from the government as well. Going through, there's a washroom, so we're going to have a towel radiator in there. This is going to be a room, like a canteen for them to come in and have a bite to eat. You can see the parking there. So we're going to have a radiator on the wall there. So what's going to be different about this job? All the floorboards are going to have to come up, brand new pipe work in. So going to be a hectic day. It's quite small, isn't it? You know, look at these walkways. You can imagine on the day, can't you? 20, 30 installers rushing around. How hectic it's going to be. This is going to be a kitchen. So you can come up, make food, learn how to cook. Timescale for this is going to be quite quick. There's going to be, got to be done really in the next 5-6 weeks at least. This needs to open as quickly as possible to start getting the revenue in, because it has spent an awful lot of money. But this is great for parents as well. Gives them respite as well. Gives children with learning difficulties a chance to be in a working environment. Helps their confidence. Yeah, so let's go up again. All the pipe work is going to be hidden, it's going to be under the floorboards. This is going to be an office. Right there. Ta-da! Times have changed for charities. This is going to be a podcast room. So they'll be able to go on the internet, make YouTube videos, generate more interest. Fantastic. Radiator under the window there. So, Sheffield, if you can help this charity, if you can help this project, please send a DM. Send a DM to the WOW platform. Dates will be released shortly. If you're an apprentice, if you're a learner, and you want to be mentored by an experienced installer, like me, like Andy Camp, like Richard Gears, come along for the day. We'll take you under our wing and we'll teach you. We'll teach you some real life basics. If you've just left school, you're not sure what to do, come and spend a day with us. Let's get back down. Wow, look at that. Think of the transformation. Warming up communities. Right on the high street there as well. Plenty of parking. So, if you're male, female installer, come down. It doesn't matter what products you like to fit. It really doesn't matter. Come and just donate a day's labour. Please help this community. So this is the cellar. The beauty of this is, look, this is where we can run some of the pipe works up. So I'll be coming down later on, just checking there's no asbestos. Look how old this is. Look at the old plasterboard coming through. You've got your drainage. You've got your gas main, cold water main, meter. So we have our volunteer here, Richard Gears.
Hello.
So Richard, tell us about what you're going to do on the day. This is your 4th project now. Yep. Give us an insight.
So what we're going to be doing on the day is, like Jonathan's explained in the video, it's going to be a new boiler, full central heating system, with about 14 or 15 radiators. We'll get it done with hopefully about 20 guys, all come down on the day. We're going to be fed apparently, so that'll be worth coming down for. We've also got my apprentice coming down. This is Sam.
Hello.
So he's coming down for the experience. It's going to be a great day for a really worthwhile charity. So get yourself down.
Thanks, Richard. Look forward to meeting you on the day, Sam. And remember, check out the website. Free learning materials. Learn, shop, eat, support. Fantastic. Work together. The community spirit here. Teach them how to cook, use tools, do crafts. Looks like a wooden bunny there. Painting and crafts there, look. They also run a cafe up the road, quite close here. Look at the food. So it's great work that these guys do. Come along, give them support. You've seen the works, absolutely fantastic. Alpha, Stelrad, EPH, Lawton Tubes, John Guest Speed Fit. Come on, give us your support.